in previous class studied about the parallelogram, kite. Okay, so in this session, discussion about the some special kinds of the parallelogram. Okay, some special kinds of the parallelogram is, first one is rhombus and rectangle, square. Okay children, okay, already you know parallelogram. What is parallelogram means? Is you should give the any figure, so opposite sides are equal, is nothing but the what is parallelogram. Okay, now next discussion about the special kinds of parallelogram. Okay children, the special kinds of parallelogram. You see, open the page number 64, page number. You should write down some special parallelogram. Some special parallelogram. Already you know children, so properties of parallelogram is they are having two diagonals is there, so in opposite sides are equal. Okay children, parallelogram. So in some special parallelogram is, first one is rhombus, second one is rectangle, third one is square. So one by one discussion about them. Okay, first one is rhombus. Second one is, which one second one? A rectangle. A rectangle. Third is a square. Children, already you know, so in rectangle and square, already you know, in rectangle is, there is opposite sides are equal. Okay children, this is called the rectangle, but angle is represented by the 90 degree. In each angle, angle A is equal to, angle B is equal to, angle C is equal to, angle D is equal to 360 degree. Okay, one on each angle represented by the 90 degree. Okay, so here also a square is a parallelogram, but all the sides are equal. So length and angles also equal, is called a square. So children, in this, what is the rhombus? Rhombus is the kinds of the kite. Okay, one is the special kinds of the kite, but kite is two sides are equal, but rhombus is all sides are equal, is also called as rhombus. Okay children, first we shall study about the rhombus. What is the rhombus? Okay, we should write the definitions. Okay children. You see your book, a rhombus is a quadrilateral. A, should write a rhombus is a quadrilateral with sides of equal length. Okay children, examples. Should write one kind of rhombus is that, you see rhombus, this is, you should draw 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. You should middle, put line, after you should put line. Okay children, this 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. You give the name A, B, C, D. Okay, so all sides are equal. Okay children, this is also called as, what is this? Rhombus. Are you understood? You see, a rhombus is a quadrilateral. Already you know quadrilateral. It is a closed figure. 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. It is also called as quadrilateral. Okay, but a rhombus is a quadrilateral with sides of equal length. All length means this is 2 centimeter means this is not coming 3. This also 2 centimeter. This also 2 centimeter, and this also 2 is also called as rhombus. So one special property is there in rhombus. What is this? The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. You know symbol for perpendicular. Okay, you see, you should write down perpendicular. Yes. So rhombus is a diagonal which is AC one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Okay, a diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Yes, so rhombus is perpendicular to the one side to another side. Why? Because you see the perpendicular line, bisector line. This is this symbol and this symbol. See that? So in both also equal is there. Otherwise, the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Property 1 depend upon the rhombus. Compare perpendicular symbol and triangle. Bisector means the triangle cut into two sides, two parts is called the bisector. But rhombus also cut into the two parts, nothing but perpendicular. Okay, children. Now next discussion about the property of the rhombus. So property for the rhombus. So statement, the diagonals. Already you know diagonals. Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to the bisectors of one another. Okay, so you should draw the figure. This is one of the rhombus. Okay, you should put diagonals. You should give the name A, B, C, D. This is intersecting point is O. So O, AO and OC parallel and DO and OB is the parallel. Okay. So ABCD is a solution. Prove ABCD, A, B, C, D is one of the rhombus. Okay, and AC and AD are the diagonals. Okay, therefore it is a parallelogram. Angle, yeah, measure of angle AOD. Where is the AOD? AOD. Measure of the angle AOD. You see, put shaded point. Measure of angle AOD is equal to measure of angle. Compare that angle. Which one is that? Angle MCOD. Angle COD. Okay, is equal to 90 degree. Means right angle triangle. But diagonals bisector each other. Diagonals bisector each other. AO is equal to OA is equal to OC is equal to OB. Here is that OB is equal to OD. Bisecting points. Now next, according to the side congruency. According to side congruency criteria. Triangle AOD. Where is there AOD? AOD is equal to triangle COD. Why? Because this is the triangle AOD and ODC is the adjacent angles. Okay. So since here AO is equal to CO and AD is equal to CD and OD is equal to OD. This is the why? Because this is diagonals are bisect each other. Otherwise, AO is equal to CO and AD is equal to CD. AD is equal to CD or DC and OD is equal to OD. Okay, OD is equal to OD by cross. We should take the AOD and COD. Otherwise, here first one is AO is equal to OC and AD is equal to CD and OD is equal to OD. Means adjacent angles. Why? Because the diagonals are bisect each other. Now next, therefore angle AOD and angle COD are a linear pair. Okay, linear pair. Therefore, measure of angle AOD is equal to measure of angle COD is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because linear pair of the angles. This is the according to the property from the rhombus. Okay, children, have I got it this? So now next we should go to the example 7. Okay, example 7. Okay, how do you understood this? We should draw the first statement, property statement. Now next, according to the statement in figure, and now next explain the proof. Okay, children, have you got it this? Okay, now next we should go to the example. So, depend upon the rhombus example. You see, children, example 7. We should draw RICE is a rhombus. Rice is a rhombus. Find X, Y, Z. Justify your findings. So, first we should draw the figure. All also equal length. Okay, we should draw middle diagonals. But middle we put dots. This is not a kite. This is one of the rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but all sides are equal. Length only equal. So middle point is O and E R high C E. This and this equal. This and this equal. This is X. This is 5. This is 12. Now next enough. This is 13. Okay, children. This is Z. So finding the X, Y, Z. Okay. So in X is equal to X. This is solution. X is equal to OE here. X is equal to OE. Okay, children. So X, where is the X? Here is the X. X is equal to EO or OE. Next, Y is equal to what is that? y is equal to OR. OR. Y. Here is the y. Y is equal to OR and Z is equal to sides of the rhombus. Sides of the rhombus. Okay. Next. IO. OE is nothing but what that? OI. High. High is, this is the one same straight line, no? EO nothing but high. EO nothing but IO. Okay. OR nothing but OC. This is the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect. Where is there? OR is equal to what? That OC. Next, Z is equal to what? How many sides is there? 13 sides. All sides. All sides are equal. OI. What is there? OI 5 and OC. This is 12. Okay. And 13. All sides is 13. Therefore, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 12 and z is equal to 30. Okay, children? Okay, you see x is equal to EO. Next, y is equal to OR. Z is equal to all sides are equal length. Now next, EO. Continue. Next one is that diagonals. Full diagonals is OI and OR is nothing but OC. How many is there? That only you should write. So IO is nothing but high O. High O is nothing but 5 and OC is nothing but 12. All sides is 30. Otherwise, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 12, z is equal to 30. Have you got it this? Okay. Now next we shall go to the important for the parallelogram rectangle. Which one is that? A rectangle. Okay. In rectangle is the one of the parallelogram. Okay. This only opposite sides are equal. It's called the rectangle. Okay, children. Now next we will discussion about the rectangle. Okay. Okay, children. Rectangle. Okay. I will explain the rectangle. So I will give the example. So this is one of the door, no? That is one of the rectangle. You see the blackboard. This is one of the rectangle. Why? Because this is the opposite sides are equal. You see that blackboard. Which shape is that? Rectangle. Okay, now this is one of the quadrilateral. This is one of the parallelogram. This is one of the rectangle shape is there. So you see the desk. That also rectangle. You see the door. Some doors is there in windows is there in square. Some windows is there in rectangle shape. Okay. You see the some tiles also rectangle is there. Okay, children. Now a rectangle. You should draw the figure. This is one of the blackboard. X degree, X degree, X degree, X degree. Okay. So rectangle. Rectangle is the quadrilateral. I'll write the definition. Rectangle. A rectangle is one of the quadrilateral only opposite sides are equal. Example. Here you should write the example. Okay, examples. We should write P, Q or S. P, Q or S is the one of the rectangle. One of the rectangle. Okay, children. So in each rectangle, angle is represented by the 90 degree. This is 90. This is right 90. This is 90. This is 90. Why? Because this is one of the rectangle triangle. So this you see the angle which measures 90 degree is also called as rectangle. No. Okay. You see the how many angles is there? 4. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to how many? The sum of the angle of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, if you represent in x degree, here is there, what is that? X degree plus x degree plus x degree plus x degree is equal to how many? 360 degrees. So x plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x, 3x plus x 4x. 360 degree. X degree is equal to 360 degree by 4. 4 ones are 4 nines are 36, 90. Okay, children, have you got it? So now next, the area of the rectangle is equal to, therefore you should write the area of the rectangle, the area of the rectangle is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. Why? Because how many breadth is there? There 1, 2 and 2 length. Sorry, this is the breadth. Okay, 2 breadth and 2 length. Okay, so take the comma 2 length plus breadth. Okay. Okay, children. So now next, the property for the rectangle. Property of the rectangle. Okay, children. Open that page number 66. Moksha. Okay. Property for the rectangle. I will erase this one. Okay. Property for the rectangle. Property. So what is the statement is that the diagonals of a rectangle are of equal length. Yes, we should take any rectangle, means we should put the diagonals, means in equal length is coming, no? Yes. Okay. So you should take the one blackboard. Okay. So you should draw the ABCD one of the blackboard. Okay. You should give the name A, B, C, D. Okay. You should draw the diagonals. Okay. You should give the name this and this equal, this and this equal. Okay. Now next, we should cut off the means. You see the children. So rectangle is cut means we should put diagonals means. So rectangle is divided into 2 triangles. Okay, that one is there. 2 triangles is there. We should see. So which shape is there? First one is triangle A triangle ABD. Why? Because in two triangles are same shape and same size is there. Otherwise, this is congruency. Therefore, AB is equal to AB. This is a common side. Okay. BC is equal to DB. This is the hypothesis of the triangle. And angle, measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to how many? Right angle triangle. By congruency SA, congruency SAS criterion. Therefore, AB is equal to BD. AB is equal to BD. Is the proof means. So you should mind it. So this is the congruency symbol. Congruency is nothing but congruent means the two figures is same shape and same size. Is also called as congruency, children. Okay, children. Okay. This is the property for the rectangle. Have you got this? Have you understood this? Okay. Now next we shall go to the example for the rectangle. So rectangle is very simple now. Okay. So using many things according to the desk. You see the desk. Okay, it's full. Now next we shall go to the most important for the one of the parallelogram is which one is last one for the in this session square. What is children square? Square means what? You see the tiles. Which shape is that? Square shape. Okay. Square means all the sides are equal. Okay, children. Now next, solve a square. Okay. Square means all the properties of rectangle. Okay. Okay, children. So, sorry, children. So, one example is there. You see the example 8. Rent is a rectangle. Its diagonals meet at O. Find x if O are 2x plus 4 and OT is equal to 3x plus 1. So, before one point there, I will explain. After I will explain the square. Okay. So, solution. You should read the question. Rent is a rectangle. It is diagonal meet at point O and find the x. O or 2x plus 4 and OT is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, children. Example 8. We should draw down one rectangle. This is one of the rent. We should put the diagonals. So middle point is O. This is T. This is E. This is R. This is L. Okay, children. Solution. OT. Where is the OT? OT. This is the OT. OT is off of the diagonals. Which one is that? T. Diagonals. T, E. Okay. Now next O is the off of the diagonal. Is off of the diagonal. Which one? Diagonal or N. Okay. Diagonals are equal. Okay. In rectangles, in two diagonals also equal there. Which one is that? Which one is given? OR is equal to how many? 2x plus 4 and OT is equal to 3x plus 1. Where is there? OR 2x plus 4 and OT this is 3x plus 1. Okay, children, we should take 2x plus linear equation. 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 1. We should common. Okay. 2x, no? Sorry, this is 3x. 3x plus 1 after 2x plus 1. Okay. 3x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4. If you take the separate variables, LHS is equal to 3x minus 2x is equal to 4 minus 1. So 3x minus 2x means x. This is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Find the x. The value of the x is equal to 3. Okay, children? Are you understood? Are you understood or not? Okay. Now next we shall go to the square. Children, square is the one of the quadrilateral. Okay. All the sides are equal. Okay. Square. Square is the square is one of the quadrilateral. All the sides are equal. So examples. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. One of the square. A, B, C, D is one of the square. All the sides are equal. Sides are equal. Equal length. Okay. Have you understood this square? Now next, so some you see compare to the, you draw the one square BELT, belt. Belt is a square. BE is equal to EN is equal to LT is equal to TB. Okay. So in each square having 90 degree. Why? Because so this also 90. This also 90 degree, this also 90 degree, this also 90 degree. Okay, children? So in total, the sum of the angle of the square is equal to 360 degree. So one angle, each angle represented by the 90 degree. Okay, square of the diagonal. So you should draw the diagonals in middle. Okay, this way. So draw the middles. Okay, so property for the diagonals of a square or perpendicular bisector of each other. You see the in a square diagonals bisects one another or equal length a perpendicular to one another. First one is square is bisector each other. Yes, square is bisector each other means you should put the diagonals means okay. So triangle, you should come the triangle. Otherwise, triangle is square is bisector each other. Next one is or equal length. Yes, in so all sides are equal, having equal length. Next, perpendicular to one another. Yes, all also is there property of the square. Depend upon the property of the square. Property of the square. You see, children, ABCD is a square whose diagonals meet at O. You see the figure. You should copy your notes. Okay, AB and A, B, C, D, one of the square. So in intersecting point is O. A, B, C, D is a square whose diagonals meet at O. O, A or OA or AO is equal to OC. This is the square is the parallelogram. According to the side congruency condition, we know, see that triangle AOD congruency triangle COD. Okay, AOD already explained for the rectangle. AOD congruency triangle COD, and measure of angle AOD is equal to measure of angle COD. Okay children, measure of angle AOD is equal to measure of angle COD is the linear pair of the square. We are having angles being a linear pair. So linear pairing is also called as right angle triangle is the property. This we should copy it for the inner ones. Okay children, now next we shall go to the exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. First one, total 6 examples is the exercise is that. First one, state whether true or false. Okay. First one is all rectangles are square. All rectangles are square. No, this is false. Why? Because all rectangles are not a square. Okay. This is one of the square is one of the parallelogram. Okay. All rhombus are parallelogram. Yes, true. Second one is true. Third one is all square are rhombus and also rectangle. Yes, true. Fourth one, all square are not parallelograms. No, false. This is false. First one is false, second one is true, third one is true, and fourth one is false. And even all kites are rhombus. All kites are rhombus. No. False. Sixth one. All rhombus are kites. Yes. This is true. True. Next, C1. All parallelogram or trapezium. Yes. True. Next, H1. All squares are trapezium. Yes. True. True. Okay. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. You should copy that. Even. Okay. You should copy the notes. Now next, identify the quadrilaterals that have. First one A, 4 sides of a equal length. 4 sides of equal length. Which one? In second main, first question, rhombus. 4 sides are equal means rhombus. In 2 sides are equal means kite. 4 right angles. Second one is, this is B, no? This is A. This is square. Okay. Now next, explain how square is. How square is. You see children, explain a square is. So the relationship between the squares in some quadrilaterals. First one is quadrilateral. Second one is parallelogram. Third one is rhombus. And fourth one is rectangle. You should do the homework. Now next, name the quadrilateral whose diagonals. Okay, bisector each other, rectangular, square, or which one is rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle or square, or fourth one question, rhombus, parallelogram, and rectangle or square. In second one, rhombus or are equal. So in second one, are perpendicular bisector of each other. Which one is rhombus or square? So in are equal. So already you know square or rectangle. Okay children, have I got it? Okay. So I will solve the 3 problems. To do the homework, which one? Homework. Page number, how many page number? 67. Okay, exercise 4.4. We do the homework. Third one question, fourth one third over, fifth one question, and sixth one question. You do the homework. So in fifth one, explain why a rectangle is convex quadrilateral. Already you know convex quadrilateral. I will explain that. You do how to convex quadrilateral is coming. You should write, explain. And sixth one question, ABC is a rectangle, triangle, and O is the midpoint of the side opposite the triangle, rectangle. Explain why O is equidistant. Okay, equiangular or equidistance, already you know all sides are equal, equidistance from A, B, C. The dotted lines are drawn additionally to L to U. Okay children, we should solve the in 3, 5 and 6 your homework book. But so property, I say the property is not there, no, that is the you should write in notes only. We should copy notes only. Okay children, so in special kinds of the parallelogram in this class studied about a discussion about that topic. Okay children, thank you.